I'm in Central Pay, I had a check wrist. I just bought my girl a new necklace.
What's up YouTube, Flexstaff AV here on the video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the NG models October 2020 release United 737-800. So yeah, let's get into it. Really excited to have this model because I recall from last year NG released one and that was pretty much like the model that really got them popular. So yeah, really glad to have this. And I ordered this from Waffle Collectibles. Came in about 3 days once they shipped it, so pretty fast shipping. And as you can see, it's nicely wrapped in newspaper. There's the box. Get this out of the way. And pretty much your standard size NG models box. Looks like we got some glue or tape right there. Let me just get this settled. All right, so there's the beautiful box. The box is pretty much the United globe. It says Boeing 737-800. Computer generated image of the model. United titles are faded in the background, which is pretty cool. United titles again right there. A registration November 26208. NG models logo, of course. Side views. And the back is pretty much the same as the front. So yeah, let's get into the model. There it is. Looks really nice. And once I do the review on it, I'll compare it to the Gemini one that I have. Wow. So looks really highly detailed already by the first glance. There it is zoomed in. And while I put the box away, I'll put the Flight Radar effects right here for you guys. Let's see if we can get a better view. All right, that's good. Or let's see, maybe we should raise it a bit. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. Right here we have the nose cone details right there, cockpit windows, United slogan. I don't know if you guys can really see that. It says connecting people, uniting the world. And looks like we just have the Starlines logo, L1 door, landing gear doors right there. It says E-tops, really nicely detailed. Front landing gear, United titles across the front, blue engines, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but red antenna right there. Double overwing exit doors, landing gear, landing lights, red strobe light, split scimitars, which are really accurately sized. As you can see, not too big compared to the Gemini ones, which is the only problem with that model. Wi-Fi dome, registration, again, November 26208, and of course the American flag. And of course, what really makes this livery special, the blue globe tail. Here's the back view. APU detailed out right there on the back, and the overwing exit patterns right there. As you can see, the splits are really nicely angled on both sides. Right side of the aircraft is pretty much the same. Landing lights on this side, a green strobe light, and we have our cargo luggage doors at the front and in the back. Oh, yeah, it's right there. And here's the front view. Looks nice. Engines are nicely aligned and everything. Here's the bird's eye view. And here is the bottom view. As you can see, the holes for where the landing gear would go if the gear was up, the gears were up, sorry. And there's 2 more red antennas right there. Let me try to get this stable for you guys. So yeah, really highly detailed aircraft. I would really recommend it. It's still available on For You American Collectors, Diecast Airplane Store, and Waffle Collectibles. So it's still available there. And yeah, just really nice aircraft to have for my United collection. And let me get the United one, or the Gemini one, sorry. And as you can see, the NG one's on the right. It looks like the coloring of the United titles and is a tiny bit different, and also the sizing. This one's a little bit more bold compared to this one, as you can tell. And as you can see, it's slightly, let's see, which one's higher? Almost the same height, but the NG one is slightly higher, so the Gemini's one's more realistic on this case. And if we look at the splits, the Gemini one is more highly angled and the splits are bigger, so NG wins on this one for being more realistic with the smaller, less angled wing. And yeah, both are great models. Really glad to have the NG one. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, thank you for watching.
I'm in Central Pay, I had to check wrist. I just bought my girl a new necklace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I take them all, don't matter what the price is. I said I'm sorry, mama, for my vices. You'll never understand what my life is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shit, I'm checking off my bucket list.